welcome to my channel Career Zone. Today I am here with a new topic. So today we are going to study about the style tags in HTML. It is divided further into two parts, which is called as a physical tags and logical tags. So let us discuss about the physical tags first. Tag which comes under this category is B, which makes the text look bold. Second is the underline, which underlines the text, and then it is italic, which shows the text in the italic format. Then it is big, which makes your text look bigger, and small helps to show the text in a small font. And what is TT? TT stands for teletype text. It means your text will look like that it is written in a kind of a typewriter text format, which means that the width of each character will look same in the TT font. So we will see in the video further that how these styles can be applied to the contents of the web page. Now let us see the different types of logical tags. The first one is the EM tag, which basically emphasizes the text and usually looks like an italic form. Second is the strong tag, which is you can say emphasizes the character more strongly than EM tag. Looks basically like a bold tag, so it is in a bold font. Third is the code. Code actually it is displayed in a Courier font, which is similar and the character of the width of the character will be same. In KBD it also works like a Courier font or a similar font of a same width to each character. The second last is the variable VAR. It displays the text in italic or underlined form. Then it is CITE site, which is also displayed in the form of italic by most of the browsers. So basically these are the logical tags. Apart from these, there is a div tag, which is helpful for dividing the section of the content of the web pages. Okay, div tag is having one attribute, which is align. It has the value as left, right and center. By default it is left aligned, so whenever you use div tag and write the contents within the div tag, you can actually align the section also to left aligned, right or center. By default it is left aligned. You can align your paragraph like to right or center. So now it will be more clear when we will use all these tags in a video. So let us start the video and see how this tag works actually. With the video, write the HTML tag on the top of the notepad, then write the head. The heading, I am writing physical tags of HTML because I am going to explain the physical tags only. And in the title, as I have already told you, in title you can write anything. I am writing chapter 3, just like that. You can write anything, any chapter name or any title which you want. Then close the title tag, close the head tag. Now we will start the body part. So I am going to open the body tag. Then we will write all the physical tags which we have seen in the introduction part. So I will write one sentence and then I'm going to open all the tags. The first one was bold, so I'm writing B here and I'll close the bold tag. After that I will open the italic. So you can write the same sentence or copy the same sentence, and then you can just change the tag names like I am doing. Copy and paste the same sentence. Writing the same sentence, the reason behind this is that it will be very easy to understand that how they are differentiated. So see, bold, italic, underline, big, small and TT. All the physical tags I have written in one go. and I'm closing these tags again. Here at the end I have to close it also. I'm writing the tag names in capital letter. You can write in small also, just to make it readable. I am writing it. As we know that HTML is not case sensitive, so you can write in small also, doesn't make any difference. Then I am going to close the body tag and HTML tag. So let us see what happens when we execute the file. Before executing we have to save it, so I am saving the file on my desktop, and now I will double click on my desktop to get it executed. See, I know you were not able to see the output right now. So what I will do, I am going to use the BR tag so that you can judge that what is the difference in the output. So if I will use BR tag, all the lines will be separated, and then we will be able to see the difference, that how bold tag works, how italic is working, and how underline is working, how big and small and TT tag is used. So now I'm saving the file and then I will execute it. You can see in your computer as well that how it is different. The heading is in simple form, the second line is in a bold highlighted form, third one is italic, fourth one is underlined, fifth one is the big font. Actually the big tag shows that only its enlarges the text size, and in small it make it smaller, and TT shows the text like in typewriter type. All the width of all this will be same. Now I'm going to show you the logical tags. So I have opened the same file, going to make the changes. I have changed the heading to logical, same sentence is written. I am going to use the different tags now. EM, strong, and what was the next, the code, and KBD, variable, and site. So these are the logical tags which I am going to show you how these are going to make the difference. And site. So these tags I have taught you. Now as per your requirement while designing the web page, you can make the usage of these tags, whatever tag is required, and close all the tags and see if variable is closed. So how EM is basically same as the italic, and strong shows you the mostly the text are displayed in a bold format. Code and KBD are written in a Courier font, only Courier, because the width of the every character is same in this font. It will look same as the TT in physical tag. Let's see what is the difference. Okay, I will open the tab once again. Let's open it again. Now see, so this is the output of the logical tags which you can easily judge. If you have any problem with these tags, you can text me anytime and I will explain the topics. Now there is one more tag which I have taught you, which is div tag. Div is basically used to divide the section of the HTML document when you want the paragraph to be written in particular section. So you can use the div, and you can align your section also to left, right, and center, because it has an align attribute which works with div tag. So see, I am dividing the section of 3 tags and I have closed it. It will not make a difference like this because by default the align is left, so you will not be able to see any difference. But when I will change the attribute value to right or center, then it is going to take the contents of the page to right or center. So I have written div align is equal to center. Now you can save it and execute. See how the section goes to the center. Now you can change it to right also. So I am changing the next three section of the logical tags to right side. So I have written div align is equal to right, and see it is going to take the section of the tags to the right side. So this is how the physical and logical tag works, and the div tag also work. I hope this is very easy to learn and you can understand it if you do it when you are watching my video. And if there will be any problem, you can text me. If you have liked my video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do share it so that other can also watch it. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.